Okay, let's start our lesson. Let us review the dialogues we have learned last week. The first question is, what's the date today? To ask the date, we use 几号 and we add a time. So today is the time and 几号 is to ask the date. So put them together. What's the date today? We say 今天几号 and the answer will be the time and the date. 今天9月1号. And next one, we ask the day. Still, the time and the day. So 今天星期几 we can answer 今天星期三 or just 星期三. So let's see the structure. The first one in here is we add 今天 here. It's the time or the day, right? And what's the date? So put them together. We say, what's the date today? 今天几号? Or what day is it today? 今天星期几? And the red circle in here, we can put any subject in here, okay? So let's see this new sentence. What day is March 18th? So in here, March 18th is the date. Or we say it's the time or the day, right? So what are we going to say? What day is March 18th? What day is to ask like this one, right? So how to say what day is March 18th? Think about it. We just put the time here into here. And this one doesn't change. So the answer will be March 18th. 3月18号是星期几 is the same structure as this one. All right? Did you see it? 3月18星期几 is still 星期几. Then how to say what day is November 12th? We can just say 12月12号是星期几. This part doesn't change. We just change the time before this one. Get it? So let's see the new words. Let's see the new words. The first one, to spell it, 自我昨特一安天. So put them together. 昨天. Again, 昨天. And next one. The first one spells 么英明. Remember, it's pronounced at the back of your throat. So it's 么英明, not 么英明. 明 is wrong. 明 is right. It's 么英明 and 特一安天. So tomorrow we say 明天. And how to say today, we have learned it's 今天. Do you remember? Do you remember? 今天. So today, 今天. Yesterday, 昨天. And tomorrow, 明天. Let's read again. The first one. 昨天. 昨天. Next one. 明天. 明天. This is the two times we have learned. So let's see the dialogue here. So this is still ask about the date. So 几月几号. If we ask 几号, it's just the day. And if we add which month, which date. So 昨天是几月几号 The meaning is, what was the date yesterday? What was the date yesterday? We just change 今天 into 昨天。昨天是几月几号 The answer would be, 昨天是8月31号 We didn't change the subject, and we just tell them the date, 8月31号 And we can tell them also the day, 星期二 or 星期一 or 星期三 It's up to you. Or we can just ignore this one. It doesn't really matter, okay? And this one familiar, something ne is to ask what? What about something, right? What about something? So in here we say, 明天呢? What about tomorrow? Then how to say, what about yesterday? It's 昨天呢, right? Then how to say, what about today? We can say 今天呢. And the same structure, we just change 昨天 into 明天. So the answer would be, 明天是9月2号, 星期四. And it's like the Tuesday, November the 2nd. November the 2nd. So read the dialogue and try to remember it. The first sentence is, 昨天是几月几号? 昨天是几月几号? 昨天是8月31号，星期二。昨天是8月31号，星期二。明天呢？明天呢？明天是9月2号，星期四。明天是9月2号，星期四。So let's see the sentence here. Okay. We say 昨天是几月几号? What was the date yesterday? Right? And we put the time or the day in the first. And 是 it means is or was. And 几月几号 it means which month, which day. Right? And the answer would be 昨天是 we just put 8月 like the date instead of 几月几号 right? And we can also give them the day. So 昨天是8月31号，星期二。So let's see this question. What is the date tomorrow? What is the date tomorrow? And what is the date is the same as 几月几号. So what should we change in this sentence? Is the time we are asking. Right? So we put tomorrow, 明天 in the front of this sentence. So the sentence would be tomorrow 是几月几号. Right? And the answer is tomorrow is November 21st. Still, the subject is tomorrow as this one. Right? And is. And we just put November 21st in here. Or we can just write add a 星期一. Add a 星期一. So the sentence would be 明天 tomorrow 明天是 is November which month? 12月21号星期一 Monday. right? So the whole sentence will be 明天是几月几号？明天是几月几号 ？And the answer will be 明天是9月21号。And we can say 星期一。明天是9月21号，星期一。The subject is 明天 right? And we ask which month, which date? We just put the month and date 9月21号。It's easy, right? So we have learned what's the date today, and we can say 今天是几月几号 The question is 今天是几月几号 And the answer would be 今天是9月21号，星期一。Alright, so the circle I'm putting here, this is the things we can change. We can change 昨天 into 今天 into 明天。Right? And we can put like 几月几号 in here. We can say 8月31号 or we can say 4月1号 5月2号 6月3号 It's up to you. Alright? And the other structure like 是 and 几月几号 this doesn't change. We just change this one and this one. Get it? Do you get it? So, let's see the next part.